Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch your account from public to private and from private to public. Let's dive in. Very simple, very easy. Open the TikTok app, hit the lower right corner over here. Then I want you to hit the top right corner and I want you to click on the three straight lines. Then I want you to hit the settings and privacy. Then when you're at settings and privacy, I want you to click on privacy. When you are at privacy, the first option available will be to change your account type. As you can see, currently we have a private account. When we toggle this off, this simply will change the game forever. Anyone will be able to follow us, anyone will be able to view our public posts, anyone can duet with our videos, except the videos that you don't allow. Also, anyone can stitch with our videos except for videos that we don't allow. And of course, last but not least, anyone can download our content, meaning a lot of bots and fake accounts might be coming on TikTok. I personally have maybe hundreds of accounts. Anyway guys, let's do it. Boom, now we have a public account. We switched. The process for going from public to private is exactly the same, just follow the steps. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.